You still there?
Hello, Mr. George.
Yes.
Yes, thank you for holding the line. Do you have a pen and a paper handy with you, or want you to write down some information?
No, not exactly. I'm kind of mobile right now.
Alright, so my name is Officer Kezia Parker, and my batch ID number is IRM7209, okay?
Okay.
Now, Mr. George, we called you to ascertain your attorney's information. There are some legal allegations, and a lawsuit is being filed against you by Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware about the situation?
No, I'm not.
Okay, then I'll just go ahead and read out the legal charges which have been filed against you.
Okay.
So I would request you please do not interrupt me while I'm reading it out to you, okay?
Correct.
Now, Mr. George, as those lines are being strategically recorded and monitored by the Department of Justice, and whatever you say in this recorded line will be used in your favor or against you. But be rest assured, I'll give you a fair chance to speak and answer any questions that you might have once I'm done. Okay? Now, Mr. Victor, we have received a legal petition notice against your name for underfiling your tax for the last 5 years. And now, as per the document, there was a federal audit conducted under your tax file, and the tax which you filed does not match the tax record which we have. Which means, like, for example, if you are supposed to file $1,000, you are only filing $700. So, according to the section 101, that amount is still outstanding under your name, and for that reason, the local authorities with earth warrants will come into place. Your driver's license will be cancelled and everything under your name. Like your property, your bank account will be seized, your social security number along with your passport will be blacklisted, and we will also place you under imprisonment for the next 5 years. Right now, there is outstanding amount under your name, that is $5,900, and that is including your legal charge, late fees, and the pending tax. So, Mr. Victor, in this regulated line, authorities needed to know, did you do this intentionally, trying to defraud the government, or was it done by mistake?
I've had companies do my taxes for me, so I'm not really sure what's going on.
Look, Mr. Victor, IRS never asked you to hire anybody to file your tax, and that is your choice, and we will hold you liable if your taxes are not filed quickly. Alright? And right now, let me make it sure that I'm not denying you here that you are not filing your tax. What I mean to say is that there was a federal audit conducted for the last 5 years, that is from 2009 to 2014, and between those 5 years, we can see that there are several mistakes done while filing the tax, and there are several numerical mistakes done. Okay, and that is the reason right now there is outstanding amount under your name, that is $5,900.
What was that number again, ma'am?
Which number you need?
The total you're saying. You say 9,000?
No, it's $5,900.
59?
That is including the legal charge, late fees, and the pending tax. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Mr. Victor, the thing is that we already went through our past record. So we can see that you are a genuine taxpayer, and there is no criminal record behind you. And that is the reason we have just given you a last courtesy call before taking a legal action, because we don't want the genuine person to be in trouble.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Victor, the thing is that so that we can understand your intention, that you have a positive or a negative intentions towards your bad check, so that we can move forward with the lawsuit, we can release the refunds and take a legal action against you. Alright? So what are your intentions towards your bad check?
Not really sure because I've never gotten any paperwork ever, and this is the first phone call I've ever gotten, so I guess I'm at the contact. I'm not
Look,
really.
Mr. Victor, the thing is that we already tried. The reason we have just given you last courtesy call is that we did not get any response from the site. That is the reason we gave you a call. Because we already tried to notify you twice. We already sent the certified letters at your mailing address twice, which came back to us.
Which
And there
mailing?
was nobody for that address.
What mailing
Alright?
address?
Yeah. I'm sorry?
What was the mailing address you sent it to?
The mailing address we have is 11705 Brent Road.
I've never heard of that road in my life. What state?
What is the state?
Yeah, what state?
Give me a moment.
Where?
Give me a moment. It is Ohio.
And is that what was the whole address again now?
Yes, we have one more address here which you have given us, but that is not matching with your rating.
Okay, what is that one?
The address which you have given here is 218 person code 7. It's 45063.
That's the one I just gave you, yes. But what's the one that you mailed those letters to?
Give me a moment. Let me just do a cross check in it. Okay, just hold on.
Okay, I'll hold on.
Let me just do a cross check in it.
Okay, no problem.
reports, okay?
Okay.
Let me do one thing. Let me just transfer this call to the senior officer who is handling your case. He's working under your case file, so it will be better if you speak with him, okay? Just hold on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you for holding the line. I appreciate your patience.
Hi there. How you doing? Hi.
Yeah, this is Senior Officer David Walter from the Treasury Department. And how are you doing today, Mr. Victor?
I'm doing pretty good, I guess. I'm not really sure yet.
Well, Mr. Victor, you just had a word with my Senior Officer. And did she told you about the miscalculation error between the year 2009 till 2014? It explained you each and everything about the case, right?
Not really. There's a discrepancy against the address, and you guys are still, like, there wasn't much explained.
Sorry?
There wasn't much explained. She just said I owed money, and that was about it.
Yeah. See, at this point of time, I can fully just read the affidavit for you. Alright?
Okay.
It was a confidential audit conducted between 2009 till 2014, and the department